Welcome to my channel. It's Nene here, back with another client makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this natural simple beat for my client. And we are at 200 subscribers, and that's on what? That's on period. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and leave your comments down below about how you felt about this look, or what you think, or what other looks you want to see for this channel. Thank you guys so much for letting me reach 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I really love y'all from the bottom of my heart. So let's get into this tutorial. So right now I'm going in with Morphe Precision Pencil. This is in the shade Java, and what I'm doing now is I'm just filling in her brows. I think this is like the first, well, it's not. So I'm gonna start including like the brows when I'm doing my client tutorials. So I was just like, why not? I just have to learn how to time myself and like work a little bit faster. But here I am using Fawn to conceal her brows, and I'm using this flat brush to do so. Like I said, you guys, I've been watching Lachey Glams, and I really love her technique on how she applies makeup. So I've been definitely watching her and practicing on my clients, like I said, and I have seen a lot of improvement. So check her out too, you guys, because she is bomb and she on fire right now. But this is me concealing the other brows. Make sure you take your time. Do not rush, because you want to make sure that you're satisfied with the person's brow, but don't take too long to the point where it's just like, okay, you done spent like at least 30 minutes on the person's brow. That's too much. You know what I'm saying? You can always go back and fix any errors you might have while applying foundation to the face or concealer, or whatever the case may be. So just take your time and time yourself and move a little bit quick, but at the same time take your time, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just want to say my client is really pretty. She's so pretty. Like, she is so pretty. And she had really nice skin. One thing I really did love, I love all my clients have nice clear skin. Not to say like, you know, for anybody else who doesn't have clear skin, but it's just like, look at her skin, like she's just popping. So I went in with NYX primer. I'll have the primer listed down below, but it's like a what does it say? It's like a base primer. I think it's like a blurring primer. I'm not sure, but yes, I really love that primer. Now I'm going in with New Caledonia from Nars, and I used the same concealer brush that I used to conceal her brows to apply the foundation, because I just wanted to control the foundation, because she told me she wanted like literally a simple natural beat, nothing too major. She didn't want nothing fancy, so I tried to keep it more skin-like and just very neutral, natural look, nothing extra. So here I am. I just felt like I made a mistake on the brows or something, and I just went back and I just tried to fix that up. Now I'm going in with Fawn to highlight. I highlight a little bit different now. I don't know if you guys notice, but I'm doing that new technique like that everybody does now. I'm just trying it out. I like it so far, so yeah. So that's how I'm highlighting. Sorry if I'm in the way also. I'm just applying some on her nose and her forehead. Now I'm going in with some lashes. She wanted some very like natural lashes, nothing extra, nothing with a spaz, nothing like that. She just wanted something really natural. So that's me applying them on. And so to conceal, I use Fawn, like I said, and I just wanted it to sit a little bit so I can get that full coverage. Now I'm going in with my Real Technique brush, and I am just blending out the concealer and tapping it into her skin. Now I'm going in with my damped beauty blender, and I'm using Laura Mercier, and I'm just tapping that setting powder onto her skin lightly, and then I'll go in heavy afterwards. So I tried to go under her eyes and with the black eyeliner, but she started crying. So that's me cleaning it up. It wasn't that bad. She did okay, but so I just went in with my Real Technique brush and I just blended out that area. And then I kind of went in on the other side just to match the other side, because I did kind of apply some on that side, but I didn't go all the way. I just kind of did like the outer corners, like the corners of her eyes. It was still cute. And here I am going in with some face powder. I'm using MAC, and I'm also using Black Radiance to set her whole face. I also went in with Black Radiance contour palette, and I literally did like the lightest contour ever. Like, I didn't try to do too much. Here's me going in with Royal Hotness and Dose of Colors to highlight. Nothing too major, just something really like skin-like and just cute. Now I'm going in with Wet and Wild dark brown pencil, and I'm outlining her lips. Now I'm going in with Pout Me from Glow Up Academy, and also Cairo from NYX lipstick, matte lipstick. And I'm just applying that on the lip with a brush. And then I go in with Revlon and Sandstorm lip gloss. Now I'm going in with some mascara. And this completes the video, you guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this helped you to do like an everyday skin like makeup tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for 200 subscribers, you guys. We're on the way up. We're on the way. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.